What's up guys, welcome back to another unboxing video. And for this unboxing video, we have one of our vicrez hoods. And this is one of our Hellcat style hoods. And this is for the Dodge Challenger fitting 2008 to 2023 models. And this is one of our hoods with vent scoops. So if you've seen the Hellcat with the 3 vent scoops, you'll know what I'm talking about. Now, as you guys can see, here's our hood. It has the 3 vents, so the 2 on each side and the middle vent scoop. And those help direct airflow into your engine to help keep it cool, as well as into your air intake. And then if I spin it around to the back here, you guys will see. For install purposes, it does not come with the latch because we've had a lot of issues with the latch not matching up exactly with the OEM cars. But other than that, the hood fits like OEM spec. And it is also in our matte black primer. So if you want to get it painted right after receiving it, you can go ahead and do so. We do recommend getting another layer of primer added before paint, just for that extra added protection. That way you can make sure there's no peeling or any orange peel or anything else. Other than that, if you'd like to see more hoods for the Dodge Challenger or some of our other products for the Dodge Challenger, let us know down in the comments below. If you want to know where you can find this, if you go to vicrez.com and in the search bar, you just type in VZ102128. This should pop up, and from there, you can go ahead and add it to your cart for checkout. But other than that, that's pretty much it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell to get notified when we post more videos like this one. Peace.